Jabra Vega. Amplify your music experience with high-fidelity speakers and active noise cancellation. All of the music, none of the noise. Take your music experience to another level. Jabra Vega comes with custom-designed high-fidelity speakers, Dolby sound and powerful active noise cancellation that lets you hear your music in pure sound without distraction. Your on-the-go companion. Block out up to 99% of the noise around you, creating your own personal space on the go. You can tune in and out of your surroundings by simply tapping the eavesdrop button. The active noise cancellation conveniently powers off when folded flat. Inline controls allow you to manage calls and music and keep your phone in your pocket. Unparalleled build quality. Jabra Vega is crafted with premium materials for ultimate durability and superior comfort. With up to 35 hours of ANC and music, you don't need to worry about running out of power. Materials used are all high quality. Solid metal surrounded by thick high-end rubber. This tough build does lead them to be a little on the heavier side, but that is a small price to pay for such an amazingly built headphone. Comfort. The Vega is one of the heavier headphones on the market. So upon placing them on your head, you will feel their presence. Once on, they fit very snugly, though the clamping force never becomes painful. The earpads are thick and lush, like pillows surrounding your ears. Due to the tight fit and large pads, the Vega does provides a tight seal. Ears can become warm over time because of the materials and clamping force. Sound quality. The Jabra Vega follows the mainstream sound with a slyly U-shaped signature. Lows are pushed forward with a slight recession of the mids. Soundstage is quite large for these fully closed headphones. Highs are rolled off early, giving the Vega a smooth, fun sound. The Vega is a substantial headphone, with a substantial build. Great features and a fun sound signature. The TechieTalk YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.